Understanding. Did you catch that in English? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might hear in conversations. Did you catch that? It's a useful expression, especially in fast-paced English-speaking environments. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the meaning, but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations. So, let's get started. When someone asks, "Did you catch that?" they're not talking about catching something physically. Instead, they're asking if you understood or heard what was just said. It's a phrase that's often used in informal conversations, especially when there's a concern that the listener might not have fully grasped the information due to background noise, speaking too quickly, or complex subject matter. This phrase can be used in various situations. For example, in a noisy environment, where it's hard to hear, like at a busy cafe or on a crowded street. After sharing complex or important information, to make sure the listener understood. During phone calls or virtual meetings, where technical issues might make it hard to hear everything. Remember, it's a friendly, casual way to check understanding, showing that you care about effective communication. If you're on the receiving end of this question, there are several ways to respond. If you understood, you can simply say, "Yes, I got it," or "Yeah, I understood." If you didn't understand, it's perfectly okay to say, "No, could you repeat that?" or "I missed that. Can you say it again?" It's important to be honest in your response to ensure clear communication. Understanding and using the phrase, "Did you catch that?" can significantly improve your conversational English, especially in environments where clear communication is key. We hope this video has helped you grasp not just the meaning but also the context in which to use this helpful phrase. Don't forget to practice it in your conversations. And as always, keep learning and improving. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.